Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing a quick review on Ecamm. You see, Ecamm Live actually is a leading live streaming and video production studio built for Mac. That's right, you can stream, record and present. You can try Ecamm Live completely risk-free today for 14 days, no credit card required. To download it, click on download. It requires Mac OS 11.2 or newer. A simple, fair pricing for everyone. Look better on video easily with Ecamm. So you can live stream to all of your favorite destinations: YouTube, Zoom, Instagram Live, Twitch, so many things. You can see them here. So it's your all-in-one video tool. Whether you're streaming, recording, podcasting, or presenting, everything's here in Ecamm, including support for multiple cameras and screen sharing. A live camera switcher lets you directly show in real time. So you can overview scenes, effects, overlays, comments and quests and guests actually. So you can see all the good things you can get from it. You see so many inputs, features, in-app comment, advanced overlay, web edits, animation, green screen, stream deck support, Ecamm for Zoom, live scheduling. We have outputs, social platform integration, record isolated audio and video, virtual cameras, mic, custom RTMP, multi-streaming, local recording, real-time monitoring, and NDI outputs. So from beginners to experts, thousands trust Ecamm Live to power their video production. You can download it and here are their testimonies. Don't miss a thing. Sign up to not miss a single information. You can join the community, connect with them on these various platforms. So many great things are being said about them. Let's look at their pricing quickly. So we have the free trial, like we said, we have the standard, we have the pro. These are things you get from each of them. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Don't forget they accept Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, and they discover credit cards, even PayPal.